Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the router powered and one Ethernet from modem. Now connect your PC or phone. Once done, open a browser and type the router IP shown on the sticker, usually 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1. You will see a login prompt. Enter the default admin user and password. Make sure to accept any self-signed certificate warning to proceed. This step gets you into the router interface, so you can change settings that protect and optimize your network. Once logged in, start the quick setup or wizard to detect your WAN connection, DHCP, static IP, or PPPoE, and enter ISP details if required. Next, change the admin password right away to prevent unauthorized access. Then configure wireless. Enable 2. 4 GHz and 5 GHz, give each a clear SSID so you can tell them apart, and set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase. Finally, pick a channel or leave it on auto. Apply and save so devices can connect reliably. After basics, update the router firmware to fix bugs and security holes, and enable the guest network if you need guest isolation. Configure DHCP range and reserve IPs for printers or NAS. Enable firewall or NAT settings appropriate for your needs. If something goes wrong, reboot modem and router in sequence, verify cables and ISP status, then try logging in again. If you cannot access the GUI or credentials fail, perform a factory reset and repeat setup, remembering to reapply your custom admin and Wi-Fi passwords.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.